7 Sigma. Off grade.
Look at these Popeyes. Come on, look back at the camera. Stop playing.
Why are you on my face?
You don't get because you a dog. You ain't got no thumbs.
7 Sigma. Off grade.
Take this off.
You gotta do the other side first.
Huh?
You gotta do this. Get that out.
Oh,
There you go.
Gotcha. Okay.
You're going to your left. I gotta put some muscle in it. Yeah. There you go. Put some muscle in it.
Oh, I got it. Okay,
Okay, now close it. Gotta line up the top. Yep, you gotta line the top up.
Oh, wait a minute. You didn't show it.
There you go, you got it. Nope, straight in. Like, make them go straight.
Oh, just push it.
Yep. Now turn it. Now grab the handles and lock it. Now you go the opposite way. It will.
Which way am I walking?
Both of them.
This way?
Yep. One to the left.
Oh, okay.
Put them in the slides. They won't go in the slides. You gotta push them. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Just go straight.
Mm-hmm.
And then, this is the part I get confused. Which way am I turning? This way?
Where are you putting these?
Okay, I'm turning this way.
Always look there. Where you putting these?
Start going.
Put some muscle on it.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Why am I having a hard time? Hold on.
You can also look at the bottom too if you don't like looking at it. It's the same thing on the bottom.
Oh, that confuses me, you know? I don't think this is... This is stuck right here, so it's not going in. You see the top part?
Get it in there.
Huh?
Get it in there.
Well, this one's in here, but I
Get
can't
that
even...
one in there. There you go. That's it. You almost had it. Remember that other video you was talking about? We need to work out. That core strength. We need to work on our core. Them abs.
Okay, so you do it.
All them jokes.
So, you make me sick.
That's it.
Well, how did you do it? I was pushing it.
Put some muscle on it.
Wait, this one's done. Do that one. Okay, here.
Sister at the corner store, she remembered how we flowed. You and me be down like some low.
And these boys right here are trying to dig up this stump. However, they ran into an anthill. Did y'all kill the ants? You just threw the whole anthill? Oh, they still in there. Wow. Oh. So while they try to figure out how to dig up this stump, meanwhile, our dog, Anu, is over here chilling in the shade. Are you chilling, boo-bye? You chilling in the shade, boo-bye? And so the question is, will they be able to dig up the stump? How deep does the roots go? How long will it take them to dig it out? You can see their minds just twisting away, trying to figure out how they're gonna dig this stump up. Because boys will be boys and they gotta do it themselves. Did they give up? Will they keep going? We got nasty caterpillars. Oh, he's eating the ants. Oh, he is. That's a big old caterpillar too.
He's about to be flying.
She was my dog girl, sexy and raw. Ain't no thing we'd hang like a clan rope.
So you're about to weed whack.
When you gonna come around? Yeah. You and me can hang on out. Catch up on the ins and outs. When you gonna come around? When you gonna come around?
And the boys are working. One is trying to dig up the stump with the shovel, and the other is weed whacking. Tried to salt the driveway, thinking that it would kill the weeds. Yeah, that was a big fail because it did not kill the weeds, and it's still on the driveway. So my husband had to weed whack quite a bit of space because right now everything is overgrown. And it looks like that. After he weed whacked, come on. It looks like this. My dog has to always get a stick. Anyway. He did all of this area so that we can get an RV in here, and it's pretty much clear. And we have Bashi over here still working on the tree stump. He made a little progress though. Even though the tree is stubborn, it doesn't look like it's gonna move because it's pretty much down in there. That's the endless stump with no roots in sight. Oh my gosh! The tree is actually red. Shut up! Oh, it doesn't want you to cut it down. So Bashi is trying to chop the base of the stump so that we can at least cover up the hole and drive over it.
That's clean. Got enough room to maneuver, turn up in this bitch and back in, and pull the hell back out. Weed whacker. There is no substitute. This guy More than half.
No.
With the dull ass hand axe. Show him the axe. Look how dull this is. Look at that. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's basically a hammer. And what are you doing?
Grooming him because he has a lot of hair and he sheds quite a bit.
What are you doing?
It makes his hair look smoother.
What are you doing? This is Val driving on the location of that weed whack. Parking this rolling truck on to back into, using this area to back in, and she's helping me smush the weeds, smush the roots, smush them.
That tree like, I ain't coming down.
Coming down today.
Don't saw your your leg. Wow, you actually got in there good, Bossy. They almost got it. They almost got it.
1, 2, 3, right.
Ooh, 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 y'all got it. Y'all got it. Come on, y'all got it.
Ready? Go. That's all of it.
This tree has been giving both of them hell today. But they almost got it. And we have resorted to the sledgehammer. Let's see if they can push it. Oh, you got it! Yay! It's good! It's good! Holy smokes! Wow! Bye! That tree gave y'all hell. But it is good! There goes the stuff! Wow.
Yeah, like I said before, the hell with that other lock. So we came with the cargo door. And Val's on the inside of here. Gonna leave her up here. She talks so much shit and got him locked in. Psych. She's right here.
Yes.
I told people I locked you in a container. See, there she is, so don't report me to nobody. She's actually in the car. She's not locked in the container. She's in the car.
With the zombies.
Bye-bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.